As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Char-Broil Performance Series and the Weber Spirit E-425. Both are 4-burner grills, but there are some key differences.
Yeah, I see that. The Char-Broil is cheaper, around $370, while the Weber is about $600. Is the Weber worth the extra cash?
Well, the Weber has some interesting features. It boasts boost burners in a sear zone that gives you 40% more power for searing. The Char-Broil just has a regular side burner with 10,000 BTUs.
Okay, good to know. What about size? How much can I cook on each of them?
The Char-Broil has a slightly larger primary cooking area, 475 square inches compared to Weber's 428. But the Weber also has a warming rack, and its accessories let you use a pizza oven or wok on the grill.
The pizza oven thing is tempting. What about the materials? Is one more durable than the other?
The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are generally good for heat retention. The Weber also has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates. Weber emphasizes that the cast aluminum cookbox prevents rusting.
So both have pretty good grates, it seems. What about power? How hot can these things get?
The Char-Broil has a BTU rating of 36,000 across the 4 burners. The Weber, on the other hand, has 19,000 BTUs of heating power.
So the Char-Broil seems to get hotter overall, even without the fancy sear zone feature?
Potentially, but the Weber sear zone might concentrate heat better. Also, Weber has flavorizer bars designed to vaporize juices and prevent flare-ups.
Flare-ups are the worst. Okay, that's a plus for Weber. What about warranty?
The Weber has a 10-year limited warranty. The Char-Broil's warranty isn't explicitly stated, so it might be shorter.
Okay, longer warranty is nice. Overall, it seems like the Weber offers some premium features and possibly better durability, but the Char-Broil gives you more cooking space for less money.
Exactly. It depends on your budget and what features are most important to you. The Weber seems more versatile with its extra accessories, and the Char-Broil is more basic. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.